Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the process of reporting a message on Discord using your Android device. It's essential to understand how to keep your community safe, so let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll be able to access all your servers and messages. Next, navigate to the channel or direct message where you've seen the content that concerns you. Scroll through until you find the specific message you want to report. Take your time. We want to make sure you've got the right one. Once you've located the message, tap and hold it. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option that says Report Message. This is your go-to action for reporting any inappropriate content. After you tap Report Message, you will need to select an option that best describes the problem. Discord provides several categories to choose from, such as harassment, spam, or hate speech. Pick the one that fits the situation accurately to ensure your report is handled appropriately. Finally, once you've selected the appropriate option, tap Submit Report. You'll receive a confirmation that your report has been sent. And that's it. Reporting a message on Discord is a straightforward process, and it's a crucial step in helping maintain a positive environment for everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember, your voice matters. Stay safe out there on Discord.